Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 60 Pro, and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. Alright, so let's start with opening your contact list. Find the contact you'd like to block and tap on it. And now in this contact settings we've got block numbers, so let's enter. Now your device is informing you that you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from this specific number. You don't want to, I don't want to report it as a spam. Of course, if you'd like to, you can do it. And then tap on block. And as you can see here, we've got this characteristic icon, which means that we just successfully blocked the number. Of course, you can unblock it the same way here, but let me leave it like this. So the second way is to open the settings, and it does not really matter whether you will be on the contacts, recents or favorites. Just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and enter the settings. Here in this general section we have to tap on blocked numbers, and this is the number we blocked from our contacts. So as you can see, the previous option also works. We can tap on add a number, tap on phone number, and here we can enter it manually. Tap on block and it will immediately appear on the blacklist. What is more, at the top we've got the option unknown, thanks to which we can block the calls from all unidentified callers. We can turn it on and off just by using this switcher at the top. And to unblock the number, simply tap on this X button right next to it and tap on unblock. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.